Hi, this is Don Singletary with Trade Commentary for the 22nd of January 2019. The May 2019 corn futures. You know I am already short. On January 2nd, 20 days ago, I shorted the 360 corn put on that May 2019 futures, and I did it for a credit of about 3.375, 3 3/8 cents, or $168.75. A mentor of mine told me 15 or 20 years ago when I asked him about a trade I had on and should I keep the trade, and he asked me, would you make the same trade again today? And I said, well, it's not the same today as it was then. But I did get his point. His point was that by doing nothing today and continuing to hold the trade, I'm doing something. I'm making the same trade again. Now let's take a look at the value this morning before the market opens at 1.875. I sold it for 3 3/8 and it's now 1 7/8. I'm up a penny and a half. That's $75. On my initial margin of $596, that means I'm up 12.5% now in only 20 days. If I stay in the trade, I stand to make another $93.75. Yes, I did the math. All right, so now the decision I make today, there's 94 days until this option expires. I can make another $94 on the trade. So by continuing to hold the trade today, I've already made $75 in 20 days that I may give back because of my decision today, or I could make more money. Am I greedy? Am I being stupid? Or am I trading smart? The truth, I have no idea, but I do know I have an 85% chance of making another $93.75 on this trade. Today, it's a brand new trade, and it's a brand new day. Good luck to everybody, and have a good week. This is Don Singletary, and thank you.